Discover the I in your stories, mastering first-person perspective. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we're going to embark on a unique storytelling journey. Today, we're focusing on first-person perspective in creative writing. We're going to learn what it is, how it affects your writing, and most importantly, we'll be doing some hands-on exercises to sharpen your skills. So, what exactly is the first-person perspective? This is a style of writing where the author uses words like I, me, my, and we. This perspective allows the reader to dive deep into the narrator's thoughts and emotions. It's like you're seeing the world through their eyes, hearing their inner thoughts, and feeling their emotions. Quite an intimate journey, don't you think? First-person perspective isn't just about telling a story. It's about making your readers live the story. This perspective allows for a deep emotional connection. The readers can feel the joy, sorrow, excitement, or fear of the character. They experience the world through a whole new lens, one that you, as the author, have created. Now, let's dive into some exercises to help you master writing in the first person. Exercise 1. Day in the life. Write a short story about your day from the moment you wake up to when you go to sleep. Be sure to use I and my to describe your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Exercise 2. Letter to a friend. Write a letter to a friend about an important event in your life. Be sure to express your emotions vividly and use phrases like, I felt, I thought, I wondered. Exercise 3. Diary entry. Create a diary entry for an imaginary character. This could be a pirate, a princess, a scientist, anyone. Make the reader feel the character's joy, fear, or anticipation. Remember, the key is to show emotions and thoughts through your character's eyes. Before we conclude, let's look at some tips to make your first-person writing even more engaging. 1. Vividly describe emotions and thoughts. In the first-person perspective, your readers want to know what your character is thinking and feeling. Make sure to show this in your writing. 2. Use natural language. Write as if you are talking to a friend. This makes your writing more authentic and relatable. 3. Dive deep into the character's world. Show your readers the world through your character's eyes. Include details about the environment, the people, and the situations your character encounters. Well, that's it for today, folks. I hope you found this video insightful and fun. Remember, mastering the first-person perspective is all about practice, so do try out the exercises we discussed. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep writing. See you in the next video. Happy writing!